money, hold up, got a cutter, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, rich, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, holla, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, pop it, sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, knockin' that acorn, baby.
Damn, cry, baby V's, using honeys, wipe it away. I don't got change for 20 niggas, 20 ain't number change. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of giving niggas.
Hey y'all, welcome to my Sunday reset. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're OG, go ahead and leave a comment letting me know. Today's video is going to be real chill. Not too much talking, more of like a slow down. So you're not going to hear a lot of my voice. But y'all, it's a Sunday reset. We are just resetting for the new week. So y'all, after I finish doing my bedding, honestly, I do this in layers and I gotta get it right. But after I do my bedding and everything like that, I like to put on a fresh scent on my pillows. Here is Sweet Pea. It's so many different scents I have, but this is the closest to what smells the best, honestly. I put that all over my pillows. It gives like a nice fresh smell on your linen. Tootie. Then I have this beautiful candle. This just matches my pillows. I was like, you know what, let me just match the vibes. But I do like the linen smell. And then I just put it next to my cute area in the corner, and it just looks all put together. Next, y'all gonna see me put away all my clothes. I did have a little weekend at my boyfriend's house, so you're gonna see a little bag. But other than that, I'm unpacking stuff that I bought throughout the week. Shoes I gotta put up, just everything that I just got put up, washed, or just put in an organization little drawer where I used to have it. But y'all gonna see that. I probably won't come back again, but if I do, y'all know what's up. So y'all, do not judge me for these baskets. Yes, I have 2 full baskets of clean clothes. I don't know, but I will wait to the last moment to fold some damn clothes. I don't know, the washing part is easy, but that putting up and folding, I just dread it. So to get it done, I do have to put it on my bed, because if I don't put it on my bed, it will never get done. And I won't lie to y'all, I did not finish these clothes until Monday. I know that sounds bad, but they just won't get done. I literally will leave the house and not go home, because I just dread that process. But here I am in my second room putting up this cute pumpkin rug I just bought. And then I have a whole stack of dirty clothes in the pile, y'all. It's just too much. But here I am, just fake trying to get organized. Honestly, that pile gonna sit there for a little while too. But after that, you guys are gonna see me go towards my dresser. One thing I hate that I do is overstuff my dressers, and I have all these stuff just hanging out the drawers. So I'm trying to organize them a little bit better. And then you guys are going to be able to see the little clothes that stick out in between the drawers. I'm going to just put everything back in. I don't know why I have so many clothes. I do need to give them away, but y'all, I'm probably a little bit of a hoarder. But here I am trying to organize my dressers and stick the clothes back inside. It's honestly one of my biggest pet peeves, but now that it looks better, it just looks like I'm more put together, even though I'm not. Next, I'm going to also just play with my bags. I do use my bags often, so I often have to like put them back for like a little fake display that I be having right there in the corner. It actually is really cute because all my bags are in these brown cute tones, so they just fit the vibe in this room. And yeah, y'all gonna see me play with that, and then later on get into my office part of my room, my office / makeup part, organize that as well, because that right there gets real dirty real fast. And let me guys know if you guys want a beauty room tour. I have never done this on my channel, but I kind of am interested in doing one. I love this room. I'm just now making it mine. Also, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't think about putting my beauty table in this room, but now that it's in here, I definitely am loving the space. It just looks really put together. And yeah, I'm about to organize. I might come back. We don't know if I come back, but if I do, I do. Y'all, he probably got COVID. It's disgusting. Like, why would he come over to my house with COVID? Huh? Okay, he's lying. So hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rejan Destiny, and if you're an OG, what the fuck is up? What the fuck is up, twin? No, I really want to start calling y'all twins and twinsies because I'm really Atlanta right now. Like, I don't care. Welcome to my channel if you're new to my channel, and welcome back if you are an OG. Please comment a soap emoji, something like we cleaning, even though we doing half-ass cleaning. Because I don't feel like really cleaning right now, but we gonna do the bare minimum. Can I be realistic? Like, I'm not even gonna kick it. Like, we finna just deep clean, and we're not. The only thing I'm gonna vacuum that up. I don't know yet. When I first start off my Sundays, I have to make my bed, clean my room. I do like to use some Clorox wipes, disinfectant wipes to clean up my mirrors. I have a lot of mirrors in my room, so that's a must. Next, I like to undo all my laundry, because on Saturday nights I do all my laundry, and it be so much clothes. Like, I have 2 baskets, and I probably do my clothes every week. But y'all, now that I go to the gym, I have literally like a regular clothes, gym clothes, then like going out clothes if I go out with my boyfriend later on that night. So I have a lot of clothes in a week. I don't know how it's like this now, but it's just like this, and I'm not mad at it. So I just finished cleaning up my room. We did a bare minimum, like what we can see, we can clean. But I'm gonna go to the gym and go pick up some fruit after the gym, and then I have to meal prep. This is how my Sundays are going right now. I'm trying to think what else I have to do. Oh, gym, pick up fresh fruit. I'm meal prepping my salmon because, y'all, I'm trying to be on this, you know, healthier journey. It's really been 2 weeks since I've been on this journey, and I've lost 4 pounds, like 4 really good pounds. That's been really fully down. I also got to post a YouTube video today, which is my monthly reset vlog. When I come back from work, oh, that's what I have to say. After I come back from work, because I do work on Sundays here and there, I got 2 clients. They're 2 late clients, and I will have to come back home and probably just fold all my clothes and put them all up while watching a movie, and then chill with the next day. I just wanted to talk on this video because, like, what the freak? Are we still recording?
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't move around at my house, try to taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding.
Okay, I'm back. Yes, y'all, I went to Trader Joe's a second time, but honestly, this was the Buckhead location, which I actually prefer over the, I think, Midtown location. Y'all, they had the pumpkins. Y'all just know I got me the eucalyptus for the shower. I got the pumpkin for the November vibes. Like, do you see the cart? It's full. This Trader Joe's was a vibe. I ain't gonna lie. It was just way fuller and just way better than the other Trader Joe's I've been to in my previous vlog. I love the clip of me trying to go inside the, I was about to say pantry. What? Whatever aisle this is. The produce. No, produce is meat.
First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. So let's get all y'all. Yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much.
So here I have made it home. Of course, I had to go to other stores. So that's a little TJ Maxx bag. And I had 2 little cases, like Tupperware, I guess. One for the refrigerator so I can put my fruits and organize them and not keep them in the plastic, which I usually do. But I don't like to. I like the organization look. So I got that for my strawberries, blueberries, and grapes. I also got some sweet chili, fried rice. I heard that's good. Apples, of course. Shrimp fried rice, that was good. The chicken masala and the butter chicken. Blueberries. Trader Joe's got some nice big blueberries. And then that last thing was a cleaner for the vegetables. Here I am eating the chicken masala. Y'all, it was so good. I ain't gonna lie. It was tea. It was good. I will get that a second and third time. Oh, next, I finally did my clothes, but this was the next day, so I'm not even gonna kick it to you. Like, I just was so productive on this Sunday. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, like I said, subscribe, and thank you so much for getting to the end of the video. And if you're OG or new, go ahead and comment a blue heart emoji if you got to the end. And just thank y'all. Go ahead and sell and let's get to 300K. Cause yeah, see y'all.